You're not failing because your team moves too slowly. You're failing because your team moves fast in 10 different directions at once. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see how to quietly rewire your product dev process so speed actually turns into results. Most teams think they have a process problem, but what they really have is a decision problem. Work piles up not because it's hard, but because no one is sure what matters this week. That uncertainty shows up as endless meetings, half-finished features, and urgent fires. Here's the twist. High-performing product teams are boringly predictable. They do the same simple things in the same order every single week. No magic framework, no secret playbook, just ruthless clarity. First, they decide one thing. What is the smallest outcome that would count as real progress in the next 7 days? Not a roadmap item, not a vague goal, a concrete change a user would notice. Then they cut everything that doesn't move that one outcome. This feels uncomfortable because it exposes how much work is actually optional. But that discomfort is the signal you're finally choosing. Next, they make work visible in a way a 10-year-old could understand. One board, 3 columns, not started, in progress done. If a task can't fit on a sticky note, it's too big. Break it down until it can move across the board in a few days, not a few weeks. Here's the unexpected part. They limit how many things can be in progress at once, 2 or 3 per person max. When the column is full, no one starts new work. They swarm to finish what's already started. This feels slower at first, but it kills the graveyard of 80% done tasks. Suddenly, features actually ship. Bugs actually close. Decisions actually stick. Finally, they run the same short ritual every week. What did we finish? What blocked us? What will we finish next? No blame, no speeches, just facts. If something keeps blocking you, you change the system, not the people. Over time, this simple loop turns chaos into a quiet, steady rhythm. You stop chasing productivity hacks and start trusting a boring, repeatable process. So here's your practical move. This week, pick one outcome, make all work visible on a simple board, and cap in progress items. Do it for 2 weeks without tweaking. Watch how much old noise suddenly looks optional. Your product dev process doesn't need to be smarter. It just needs to be clearer, smaller, and more honest about what you can finish. When you do that, busy but ineffective quietly turns into calm and consistently shipping. And nothing about that is rocket science.